We had point solutions, we had WAF, but the rules were static, they're not dynamic. I'm Joshy Alappat. I'm the Chief Information Security Officer for Oncourse Home Solutions. Our mission is pretty simple: bring peace of mind to homeowners. We needed a more comprehensive security program that support the business transformation that we are going through. So that was the driver: business transformation, digital transformation. That's where Aikido helped, from CI/CD to Runtime. And it helps us to prioritize, especially with the AI. We can now concentrate on what matters the most, the actual issues that come in, especially because this is running with the code. We are able to make the right decision, say we need to concentrate on this particular vulnerability, not something that we should be working on. So that's where a lot of value in the product that from Aikido. Before Aikido, WAF was the main tool set, along with network controls. The challenge with WAF is updating the rule set and figuring out what's being blocked and all that. Without taking the application down was difficult. With regards to false positive and noise, I would say we have very little noise, especially with the AI capability through Aikido. It is refreshing, where I've done WAF in the past where you need to sit there and figure out every URL, URI. But today with Aikido, it's pretty easy. And if there is an issue, it will give us recommendations. What are the actions that we need to do, which has been very useful for us. We brought in our developers. There was a lot of developer enthusiasm when we brought in Aikido. So for us, it was important to deliver a product, but need to be able to deploy it quickly to see the value. So with the features that were available in Aikido, we were able to get the buy-in and we were able to deploy pretty quickly. Our current deployment leverages Jira, IDE plugins. So we started with the Zen Firewall, but then we expanded to the CI/CD pipeline. What we are right now with Aikido is we are gating any code. So we are integrating with our IDE plugins and Jira to automate that process. So developers have that integrated with VS Code or whatever they're using. So that integration. So we are end-to-end right now deployed through Aikido. We struggle to implement gating with development team. That has changed. Now we block in code that's with high-end critical, because they do have the integration with their IDE. The gains that we have, for example, for vulnerabilities, we have an SLA. So from an SLA perspective, we've been able to meet those SLAs, which previously we identified the vulnerabilities, then we need to go figure out what the fix is and code. And so right now, all of that is done through Aikido. Here is the fix, and then they test it out. And then, so that's been a time to remediate has been a game changer. We were going through a transformation and pretty fast. And for me, it was critical to say, I want to be able to, we had timelines established, not knowing we can meet or not meet. With the use of Aikido, we've been able to meet that and report it to the board that, okay, we promised something, we were able to deliver that. That's been huge, especially because the collaborations that we had X number of applications we needed to secure. We were very methodical, but we were able to get all of them in the RASP specifically. So that's been a big win in front of the board. Aikido is efficiency, and it helps us prioritize what we need to protect and not spend the time on things that not material.